Good afternoon. It's June 3rd, 2024. And that reminds me that we're going to be switching over our contract, I think, next week. So just keep that in mind. But today we had a downward move. Here's what it looks like on the daily chart. So what I think happened was we had this big move on Friday. And I think that the bulls they just bought a 50% correction that's what I'm thinking. And you can see on the 2000 tick chart we have two measured legs down. So yeah, let's take a look. So yeah, it went a little below this 50% correction of this big move before the bulls bought it. So not a lot of scalps today the way I was seeing it. But let's take a look. So in the overnight, you had this potential trend up. And so, there's going to be people looking at that. But when you see all this, we're coming up short and we have a lot of overlap and then we're going sideways and we get this break, consider treating it like a range day and consider selling to try and test the lows. So you do get this lower high right here, pretty bearish bar. But when you get that failed second entry long right there, I like that. This has all the signs of a trend reversal. And we don't go below this low. So we're really just going sideways. Big news item, brings us back to the highs, sells off. And I don't like anything in here to go long or short. I think there's an argument you could make for going short here or here with all that resistance, but it's in the middle of the range, so I'm not comfortable with it. Sell off, two-legged pullback, sell off. I guess you could argue for this. I mean, you're going into the lows there. You have to understand that. So not a great entry by any means, but if you're looking at this leg down and thinking you're getting a second one, or this leg down and thinking that we're going to get a second leg down at that size, maybe that's what you're going for. And you can see it gaps over the overnight lows, pullback fails. This kind of looks like a double test. If I move this down like here, like you get a test right there, test it once, test it a second time. And so you can see it flattening out, and then we get a rally, and this just forms a range, but the range doesn't last very long. And you can see strong bear leg here, strong bear leg here. All we got was one bull leg, two bull legs. The bear bars are looking really strong, and you get two legs right here, and boom, it just sells off. And we're going down. You can get like a complex two-legged pullback here, and we form this range, and we break out to the low side and almost hit a measured move of this range, but we hit this measured leg and the buy-in comes in, and you get this spiking channel that we've been in for a couple hours now. And so I drew this off the highs and put this this bar down here at this low, and it seems to be pretty accurate, even though you got a break right here on a larger time frame chart. That's just an overshoot. So yeah, there it looks a little cleaner. So anyway, I mean, that's how I saw it today. We'll see, Here, we'll take one last look at the daily chart. So it's looking like a bearish doji. 35 minutes left before the market closes to the public. We could rally. We could sell off. Anything could happen. Hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm not going to be able to make a video on Wednesday, but I will be back tomorrow.